on a second light.
It's
Huh?
fine. It's fine. So far, so good. You've managed to complete the exam. And what I would wish to say, or what I want to say, is congratulations to you. You've done well, getting certified for Lila in Word and Pamela in Excel. Well done. So share your experience with the exam, the practice exercises, the whole process, how you got to where you are now. So who wants to start?
Lila. I nominate Lila to start first.
It was it was quite the experience. It wasn't as hard as I thought. Yes, that's what I have to say.
Okay.
And I learned a lot of new things I originally didn't really know about Word.
Okay. Can you touch
Very
on it
insightful.
briefly?
Like there's a lot of things in the file tab that many people probably do not know to this day. And I also learned how to use all the tabs I didn't really use, like references, mailing, review, view, and those types of tabs.
Okay. Okay, that's good. So the next step is to look at a word expert. So that will be
Yes.
our next hurdle. Okay,
Yes.
Pamela.
Okay. For me, well, this is not my first show on completing um like Microsoft specialist. Yes. I've done 2019 and 2016, so I was just doing the latest version. That's 365 Microsoft. I think I could have done way better than what I've done. I did Excel. I think I could have done way better because I was rushing to finish and
Mhm.
I didn't even answer a number of questions. But I think I passed. But um, if I had a chance, I'll take the exam again because I could have done
Yeah,
much better.
much,
That's
much
what
better.
much
Okay,
better.
okay, that's good. So if I look at your score report, Lila managed documents, you got 88%. Insert and format text, paragraphs, and sections, you got 75%. Manage tables and lists, you got 88%. Create and manage references, that's a 50%. So in a word expect, you will need to look at that. Then insert and format graphic element, you got 100%. Then manage document collaboration, you got 100%. And that brings your total score to 900 out of 1,000. So well done. Then for Excel, Pamela,
Much
manage worksheets and
much better.
workbooks. You got 89%. Manage data cells and ranges. You also got 89% of that. Then manage tables and table data is 50%. So we need to work on that. Perform operations by using formulas and functions. That is 71%. And
Okay, that one
managing
improved.
chat. Yes, managing chat is 67%. And that brings your total to 840 out of 1,000. So I'm going to join on the other computer and share my screen for you to see your certificate.
I think I improved on the formula aspect because I was struggling during the practical. Like the
Yes.
practice exam.
Okay. So what we'll do is we'll need to work on that. We always need to improve. We always need to learn. So the fact that you've passed does not mean you should stop learning. We need to keep improving every single day. Okay. So I'm going to share my window. Where is, give me a second. Okay. One is the certificate. Okay. 15226. Okay, 15226. So can you see the screen now? Yes. So Pamela, you see Excel Associate Metro 365. And now the certificate expires 5 years after date of issue. So it means we need to keep renewing. Maybe the next 5 years,
Oh,
they will change stuff. Then you need to keep, upgrading. So because you've already taken the Word 2019 and PowerPoint 2019, adding the Excel associate will make you a Microsoft Office Specialist associate because you got these two credentials. Okay. And this certificate would also expire after 5 years from today. Then this
Oh,
is Lila, you're now a word associate. So we will proceed to look at the word expert. For Pamela, we're going to look at the Excel expert. Is that okay?
yes.
So well done, and I'm proud of your progress. And I'll need you to keep grinding, keep learning, keep practicing. And the sky, let's say the sky is too small. The entire universe is your limit. Okay? Okay. So we will meet on I think Monday, Tuesday.
Yes, please.
Yes, then we will look at. So we need to quickly work on Word Expert, Excel Expert. Then we move in that order. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Bye
Thank you
bye.
very much.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Have a great
sir.
night.
Have a
Have a
good
good
night.
night.
Bye.